Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for international studies with the University of Kentucky, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for international studies with the University of Kentucky, begin by visiting the official university website. Navigate to the admissions section. Select the option for international students. Review the admission requirements carefully. Gather necessary documents such as your passport, academic transcripts, and letters of recommendation. Next, complete the online application form. Make sure to choose the International Studies program from the list of available programs. Pay the application fee as instructed on the website. After submitting your application, check your email regularly for communication from the university. You may need to provide additional documentation, such as proof of English proficiency. If required, schedule and complete any necessary interviews or assessments. Once accepted, review the enrollment guidelines provided in your acceptance letter. Follow the instructions to accept your offer and confirm your enrollment. Register for orientation to learn more about the program and meet fellow students. Be sure to set up your university email and student portal accounts. Familiarize yourself with the academic calendar and important deadlines. Prepare for your journey by looking into housing options and visa requirements. Lastly, connect with academic advisors for guidance on course selections and progression in your degree. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.